Hi everyone, I'm Ryan Janine Enguarin from STEM 11 Einstein from the group of Ravenclaw. And for today's video, we're gonna make a film review in the film of Unfriended Dark Web. The title of the film is Unfriended Dark Web, directed by Stephen Susco. And the characters are Colin Woodall as Matias, Stephanie Nogueras as Amaya, Betty Gabriel as Nari, Rebecca Rittenhouse as Serena, Andrew Lee as Damon, Connor Del Rio as AJ, and Savira Windiani as DJ Lex. The synopsis of the film is after finding a laptop, a young man goes online to play a game with 5 of his good friends. He shows them a mysterious folder that plays disturbing videos of people who appear to be in danger. They receive an anonymous message that tells them that they will all die if they disconnect or call the police. Question: are there any trends in ICT that are tackled in the film Unfriended Dark Web? If yes, elaborate. So here are the trends in ICT that are tackled in the film. In this film, we can see some trends in ICT just like convergent technology. They use smartphones and laptop. Social media. Because of this, they can communicate to each other faster. Under these social networks. Social networks is shown. It uses internet-based social media like Facebook. And last is media sharing. The users post and share videos, audios, or files like YouTube. Another question: are there any internet threats that is shown in the film Unfriended Dark Web? The answer is yes. There are some internet threats that is shown in the film. One of these is phishing, getting or stealing confidential informations. Spyware: the hacker accesses their computer. It's typically a program that runs in the background without you knowing. And for the last questions, what are the moral lessons you learned in the film Unfriended Dark Web? The lesson I learned from the film is do not share your information whatever it happens. Confidential informations are very risky and it can lead to a horrible threats. And that's the end of our film review. I hope you learned something.